Welcome! Today we discuss about one of the largest dam in the world. Hoover Dam is a massive concrete arch gravity dam located on the Colorado River on the border between Arizona and Nevada in the United States. It was built during the Great Depression in the 1930s and was officially dedicated on September 30, 1935, by President Franklin D. Roosevelt. The Hoover Dam is named after Herbert Hoover, the 31st President of the United States, who played a major role in its construction during his tenure as Secretary of Commerce under President Calvin Coolidge. The dam was built to control flooding on the Colorado River and to provide water and hydroelectric power to the surrounding areas. The Hoover Dam stands 726 feet tall and is 1,244 feet long. It created Lake Mead, which is the largest reservoir in the United States, with a capacity of over 26 million acre-feet of water. The dam also produces approximately 4 billion kilowatt-hours of electricity per year, which is enough to power over 1 million homes. The construction of the Hoover Dam was a major engineering feat, requiring the use of new techniques and technology at the time, and it was incredibly a difficult and dangerous projet. In fact, the Hoover Dam project was a massive undertaking that required thousands of workers over a period of several years. Unfortunately, the construction process was also very dangerous, and many workers were injured or killed during its construction. According to official records, a total of 96 workers died during the construction of the Hoover Dam between 1930 and 1936. The construction of the Hoover Dam required the use of a variety of innovative technologies and techniques for its time, many of which had not been used before in such a large-scale project. The dam was constructed using over 4 million cubic yards of concrete, which was poured in blocks and allowed to cure over time. This required the development of new concrete mixtures that could withstand the high temperatures and pressures generated by the curing process. Before construction could begin on the dam itself, 2 diversion tunnels were dug through the canyon walls to redirect the flow of the Colorado River. The construction of the Hoover Dam cost a total of $49 million at the time it was built. The power plant and generators cost an additional $71 million. This was a significant amount of money during the 1930s, especially considering that it was built during the Great Depression when the U.S. economy was struggling. The funding for the dam came from the U.S. government and was provided through the Public Works Administration, which was established by President Franklin D. Roosevelt. The Hoover Dam is one of the largest hydroelectric power plants in the United States, and it produces a significant amount of electricity. In fact, it is capable of generating up to 2,080 megawatts (MW) of electricity, which is enough to power around 1.3 million homes. The electricity generated by the Hoover Dam is sold to customers in Arizona, California, and Nevada through a network of power transmission lines. The dam's power output is managed by the Western Area Power Administration, a federal agency that oversees the transmission and distribution of electricity in the western United States. Despite great challenges, the project was completed on time and within budget, and the dam was officially dedicated on September 30, 1935, by President Franklin D. Roosevelt. The construction of the Hoover Dam was a remarkable engineering achievement for its time, and it remains an important symbol of American ingenuity and innovation. Today, the Hoover Dam is also a popular tourist attraction, and it is an important source of water and power for the Southwest United States. Thanks for watching.